What's up, guys? It's Double Trouble back at you again with another video. Today we're doing Craziest Moments called a Doorbell Camera compilation.
Yeah. Brought to you by Inside Edition.
Yeah.
Go subscribe to them.
Shout out to Inside Edition. Shout out.
Subscribe.
And subscribe and do everything.
And
Sorry, guys.
we're
doing this at 11 o'clock. I'm tired.
11:08. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm tired. Okay,
Let's do this.
Let's get on with this.
Okay, so.
More and more homes have doorbell cameras to see who's stopping by. But they've also captured way more than just house guests.
That guy was rapping. That guy's dancing.
Rings the bell and then shakes it off.
I like this.
Okay. Say you're living in, I don't know, anywhere you want, right?
Anywhere I want. Okay.
Yes. And you have this doorbell.
Okay.
And you are going back through the footage and you see this.
Okay.
What would you do?
I would be like, bravo. Best thing I've ever seen.
Would you the next time the mama came would be like, hey, nice dancing? Like, would you even recognize that?
Good performance last night.
All right.
Yeah. Shirley drops moves worthy of the Marmalette.
I like it. Yeah.
And this guy stopped by just to show off his rap skills.
Awesome. The audio is terrible.
Or being photobombed by the dog. Woof. Doorbell cams have also caught good deeds. This teen in Sacramento returns a wallet with $1,500 inside.
$1,500.
Making one woman's day.
I don't know if the camera's picking up the sound. That wallet at $1,500.
Dang.
Hey. Just want to say I love you. Have a good day at work.
I love you too. Have a good day.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And these two share a hug and a high five on their doorstep.
Oh.
Uses the cam to send his dad a special message.
Dad?
Say the great thing.
Dad! I love you.
And then asks him for help with the important stuff.
How do you turn on the kid channel?
Wait, what did he say?
Of course, even the best relationships have their moments.
Oh, come on.
And then there are the animals. So many furry friends just dropping by. There's this daring raccoon.
Oh, raccoons.
Raccoons.
They're the bandits. I mean, they have that black
stuff.
around.
Come on. Reactions. Here we go.
One camera caught these curious moose just moseying on through.
Them's moose just wanted.
Okay. So I've always been confused. What's the plural name for moose?
It's moosin. Moosin. Or, yeah, it's moosin.
Moosin?
Yeah. Moose with an E-N at the end. Moosin.
Why?
Just because, think about it.
I think it should be Mises or Mooses or something, not
but
Moosin.
It's moosin. It's moosin, bro. Look it up. I dare you.
I don't want to look it up.
And them's moosin just wanted a drink out of their pond.
Yeah, why would you have a pond in your front, lawn right by?
Boom, moat. So the bad guys can't get in.
But if it's icy and everything, or it's snowing and you trip and fell in, you could easily get hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just bring ice skates. Ice skates. Dog was eating. Holy crap! Skydiving!
It's good thing cats can land on their feet.
Skydiving cats.
Slow and steady, says this journal.
Toidle. It's a
Toidle.
It's a toidle.
You mentioned bears in pools.
Oh my gosh! See,
that's not
bears
pool.
just
That's a trough.
Bears just want to take a dip.
Oh, look at that BMW, bro.
Scary feline.
Okay.
They got Dodge up in here.
Goats.
And this guy who just won't take no for an answer.
Chill, bro.
Hey, Get out of here. Chill, dude.
Leave me
Chill.
alone, bro.
Bro.
This
Just
cat
chill.
is desperate to get back inside.
That's like our cat. He'll climb the
Another desperate
screen.
needs to get away from one.
Oh. Oh, man.
Not to mention
Oh.
those pesky guests who don't even ring the bell at all. Just remember, when you knock on that
Okay. Well, this was interesting. This was definitely craziest
Crazy.
things caught on camera.
Yeah.
A doorbell camera.
Yeah.
But I think that we should keep doing this. Like, keep making videos like this.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
This is pretty fun.
If this video
Just-
gets 10 likes.
Just as long as it's not 11 o'clock next time.
Yeah.
We were hoping to do like a scary video, do it in the dark,
Yeah, but this guy chickened out.
Nah, I didn't. I just found this one because there wasn't any other
Yeah,
ones
we'll do
good.
scary video next time.
Yeah,
next time.
maybe. I don't know.
Next video, maybe, hopefully. But give this video a like. If this video gets 10 likes,
okay.
we'll do another one like it. But we'll probably end up doing one anyways.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so subscribe to Inside Edition. Tell your friends, and is that it? Yeah, see you all later,
Yeah.
or not really see you. Anyway, peace.